Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's Moldex3D webinar. I'm Ray Wu, who is account manager from Moldex3D EMEA team. And today our topic is optimal design parameters for injection molded parts using Moldex3D DOE. Okay, so the very first thing I would like to introduce to you is the Moldex3D Expert, which is using the DOE in the Moldex3D. So when it comes to the injection molding is a really complex procedure, and it combines like mold design, like part design, the material characteristic, and also the process conditions. And in before, before we have the computer, we usually use the conventional trial and error method to find a way to solve the problem, because maybe I have some warpage in the part and maybe I want to solve it. So maybe we will base on the experience or somehow the other ways to like changing the temperature distribution, try to solve the warpage. And that one is based on some theories, but still you don't know yet what is exactly the reason that we have such a problem. And for example, if the warpage comes from the temperature difference, then changing the packing pressure actually do not do any help to the final part. And in that case, maybe it will make it even worse. So with the simulation, actually, we can see why is exactly the reason, and also we can use the simulation to change the parameters to see what would happen if we change these parameters. And with this method, we can save a lot of time in doing the trial and error in the real world, because if you do it in the real world, you will take time, you will take money, and also you need to do the real part. So finally, you'll waste the material. And with the simulation, the only thing you take, we take from you is the time and also the electricity. So it will be more efficient and more like energy savings, I would say, compared to the real world trial and error method. And based on this, we already know that with the simulation, we can improve the product quality. But with the help of the DOE, you can make it even more easier for you yourself, because the DOE actually is like the computer will find the best combination of the parameters that you selected. And based on these selected parameters, we will try to find the best combination for your target.